All right, our next book is called Farm Animals. Moo. What animal is that? It says cows eat grass. A group of cows is called a herd. People drink milk that comes from cows. Milk comes from udders. Guess what? One cow can give enough milk in a day to fill 400 glasses. Cluck, cluck. A mommy chicken is called a hen, which is this one. A daddy chicken is called a rooster, and their babies are called chicks. Hens lay eggs. Chicks hatch from eggs. Guess what? Chickens are birds. They have feathers. Bah! Sheep grow lots of hair called wool. People shave sheep when their wool is long. Guess what? Shaving sheep is called shearing. People use sheep wool to make sweaters. So this picture is of sheep before they're sheared, and this is a picture of sheep after they're sheared. Neigh! Horses can run fast. Guess what? Horses can sleep standing up. Horses give people rides. How many of you have ridden a horse? Oink, oink. Pigs come in many different colors. A mother pig can have many babies at once. Baby pigs are called piglets. Guess what? A pig's nose is called a snout. The pig uses its snout to find food. Look at all the farm animals that you learned about. So, which farm animal gives us milk? The cow. And which animal hatches from eggs? The chicken. Which farm animal gives us wool? The sheep. Which one can you ride? A horse. And which farm animal has babies called piglets? The pig. The end.